Argument writing is a form of writing in which the writer tries to convince the reader to do or believe something. Each argument makes a claim, what the writer wants you to do or believe. We've spent a lot of time looking at advertisements that make claims of what they want people to do or believe. We've also talked about how a claim is stronger when it is supported by reasons. Yesterday, we talked about the order of those reasons. We want to begin and end with our strongest reasons so that our reader begins and ends their reading with the strongest reasons to convince them to believe our claim. Today, we're going to talk about how we begin an argument paragraph. We need to hook our reader into our writing from the very beginning. They need to be engaged and interested in what you are going to be writing about. In order to get your reader's attention, you might start your argument with one of the following: a bold statement, a question, or a quote. For us over the next few weeks, we're going to be focusing only on the bold statements and questions. Let's go through a couple examples. Dogs are the best pets for kids. This is an example of a bold statement. Notice how it uses the word best. When we use words like that, best, worst, the most favorite, these words are very bold because you're saying it's better than anything else. Dogs are the best pets for kids. That's a bold statement that gains your reader's attention. That hook was made before going into the claim. Dogs are the best pets for kids. I think I am ready to get a dog. We've gained the reader's attention with the hook, and then we've stated the claim. Let's look at another example. Homework is the absolute worst. We are using bold words here by saying it is the absolute worst. We've hooked our reader into the writing, and then we can state our claim. I think students should not have homework over the weekend. That's the claim that they are then going to go and argue in their writing. Let's look at examples of questions you could use to hook your reader. Have you ever had a pet that was your best friend? That gets the reader thinking, well, have I? They're engaged in your writing because you've involved them personally in what you're about to say. Then you went on to state the claim. I think I am ready to get a dog. Let's look at our second one. Have you ever enjoyed doing homework instead of playing outside? That gets your reader thinking because they're like, have I? Then you state the claim. I think students should not have homework over the weekend. The purpose of using a hook to begin your writing is to get your reader's attention, to grab and engage them in what you are about to say. Today, you're going to practice writing hooks to get your reader's attention for the claims below. Let's look at the example. You're going to be provided with a claim. In the example, the claim says, animals do not belong in zoos. You then will be writing hooks to get your reader's attention. You will write a bold statement and a question for each of the claims. Here's an example of the bold statement. Zoos are terrible places for animals. Using that word terrible makes that a bold statement. Or a question. Would you like to be taken from your home and put in a zoo? That gets your reader's attention and it engages them personally in your writing. So for your two claims today, you are going to be writing both a bold statement and a question that you could use to get your reader's attention if they were going to be reading that paper.